In this video, we're going to learn some great techniques for stitching lettering. Start by sewing the first line of the H. Don't pull the thread the whole way through. Stitch the next line of the H by tucking the stitch slightly under the first line. Pull both lines tight. Stitch the other letters. Allow one stitch per straight line. I'm always conscious of the back because dark threads may show through on light fabrics. For example, I don't sew any unnecessary diagonal stitches to link between lines. I always try and go back over a line I've already sewn. When it comes to curved letters, sew small stitches to keep as close to the curve as you can. Secure with a knot and weave thread under the other stitches before trimming. Thanks so much for watching this video. Check out my other tutorials to learn more techniques.